Welcome, in front of me is an INFINIX Hot 9, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, simply open up Settings. From there, scroll down to Storage, tap on your SD card or the three dots, and choose Format. Now this process will remove everything from that card, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, tap on Erase and Format. Now we need to confirm the PIN of our device, so I'm gonna put it in, and now the process will begin. It's a fairly quick one, only takes like a couple seconds, but once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Click on Done, and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.